Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change car information access for our applications in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To change applications permissions regarding our car accessories, etc., we have to go to Settings. Then we are looking for Security and Privacy menu here, and under Privacy we have Permission Manager. Now our car information is stored in additional permissions. Currently we have no car accessories, but it will be stored in here. We can allow or disallow application access from this little hidden menu right here. That's all. I hope the video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.